I'm Paul Richmond, and one of the things that I'm most known for as an artist is painting large, expressive portraits. For the first time ever in this video course, I am going to take you step by step from a blank canvas all the way through to a finished portrait. You'll get to come along with me and meet my model for this painting.
I am Bloating Champion,
An incredible author, public speaker, motivator, just all around inspiring person.
I need to bring people together in community and have these conversations.
In this course, you'll see how I photograph models, how I come up with the concept for the piece by playing around with the design in Photoshop or on paper with sketching and collaging. I'll show you both ways. And then we'll start painting. You can use oil, acrylic, or whatever medium best helps you express yourself. For me, painting portraits is all about making connections and building empathy, and also throwing as much paint around as possible. Register now for my new course, Paint a Large Expressive Portrait. Beginning November 1st, you'll receive a new 10-minute video lesson every day for 20 days. You have unlimited access to the videos, so you can watch them as many times and whenever you want. This course is great for beginners who want to learn how to paint a portrait, but also it's a great course for more advanced artists who are interested in shaking up their process and trying something new. Basically, it's great for everyone. So register now at artmakesus.com. Happy painting!